Okay, so I had a job here in Tarzana. Because my co-star flaked, the call time got pushed from 11:15 till noon, and the producer of the promo shoot is gonna hire my husband to play the news anchor, because the news anchor role, the actor flaked on that. So here he is shaving on the street in Tarzana, and we're parked in the street, and our hood is up because our car ran hot because we forgot to turn our fan on. So this is another day in my life, and he was using the window to shave. Okay, so that's it for now.